Want to know the real way to fix a chainsaw that doesn't start? Stay tuned. This is a common theme throughout the world. Get your saw out of the shed for the first time in months and it won't bloody start. Most think it's old stale fuel, a bad spark plug, or lack of servicing, but I'm here to tell you that's wrong. Chainsaws, especially old ones like this 046 Stihl, aren't just machines, they develop feelings over time too. Over the years, they've been used by tough bush people and they don't just want any old softy using them. So it's important to look the part. Best not to kick them either. Now let's see the huge difference it makes when I wear a proper lumberjack shirt.
I'm sorry, girl. Can you please forgive me? Here you go.
So there you have it. Some people will think it's a setup, but they can get stuffed. Happy to post videos using any other saw on the farm to prove it's not a one-off. Thanks, team.